Hey there, welcome back to ABC Hosting. Today, we're diving into a topic that every website owner, blogger, and content creator should know about: DMCA takedowns. If you've ever wondered what a DMCA takedown is, why it matters, and how it can affect your website hosting, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, if you're new here, ABC Hosting is all about giving you the best tips, guides, and Sasakti guides and insights on web hosting, website security, and everything you need to build a strong online presence. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our hosting guides. In this video, we'll cover what exactly a DMCA takedown is, how it affects your website and hosting, the difference between regular hosting and DMCA ignored hosting, why choosing the right hosting provider matters. And stick around because I'll also show you the best DMCA ignored hosting provider for starting your website safely without worrying about takedown notices. So, let's start with the basics. DMCA stands for the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. It's a US law that protects copyrighted content online. A DMCA takedown happens when someone claims that your website is hosting copyrighted material without permission. For example, if you upload music, movies, images, or even articles that belong to someone else, the content owner can send a DMCA takedown notice to your hosting provider asking them to remove the content. If the host doesn't act, your site could get suspended or even taken offline. And this is exactly why choosing the right hosting provider is crucial. Platforms like QLoud Host provide 100% DMCA. Ignored hosting services with servers in offshore locations, which means your content stays protected and you can host without the constant fear of takedown notices. Now, why does it matter? A DMCA takedown isn't just about removing content. It can hurt your website's reputation, cause downtime or suspension, lead to loss of income if your site depends on traffic or sales. In short, a DMCA takedown can seriously disrupt your online business or personal project. That's why hosting providers that respect content freedom, like QLoud Host, are a smart choice for anyone who wants full control over their website without unnecessary restrictions. So, what's the difference between regular hosting and DMCA ignored hosting? Regular hosting providers follow DMCA rules strictly. If they receive a takedown notice, they are required to remove your content to avoid legal issues. On the other hand, DMCA ignored hosting providers like QLoud Host are located in offshore jurisdictions. This gives them the ability to ignore standard DMCA notices, keeping your site and content safe from sudden takedowns. If you're planning to start your own website, especially one that hosts unique or controversial content, choosing the right hosting provider is key. With QLoud Host, you get 100% DMCA ignored hosting. Your servers are offshore, giving you full content freedom. You don't have to worry about your site going down because of takedown notices. It's the perfect solution for creators who want to host safely, securely, and without censorship. If you still have questions about DMCA takedowns or how DMCA ignored hosting works, drop a comment below. I'll personally answer your queries and help you choose the right hosting plan for your website. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope this video helped you understand what a DMCA takedown is and why it's important to choose the right hosting provider. Remember, if you want full protection and freedom for your website, check out QLoud Host. It's the best DMCA ignored web hosting solution out there. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ABC Hosting, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.